Welcome everyone. In this lesson, we will be going over bullish breakers. So just like in the previous lesson um, on bearish breakers, it's the same concept, but inverse, right? So obviously, instead of looking for breaks of structure to the downside and capitalizing on sell positions, we will want to look for breaks of structure to the upside so we can capitalize on buy positions. So just to recap, um, a breaker would be, that failed outcome candle. And we need to see that sharp, aggressive move to the upside, breaking this structure, right? Giving us a change in directional bias per se. So just as mentioned before, breakers are a more or a higher probable setup when there's inefficiency, um, or imbalance, a void in the market in the process of breaking that previous structure, breaking that previous outcome candle, right? So as price corrects back to our point of interest, we capitalize on that, finding the best optimal position or area for buy positions. And on this particular trade, it is a 5-to-1 setup. Is really amazing risk to reward for a maximum of 130 pip potential on this trade.